There's a demand. There's a demand out there for steel foundries like us to interact and to network with other steel foundries.
Yeah, when I go to the workshop, what I intend to bring back, primarily as a technical person, I'm going to learn about several research projects that AFS is supporting in the area of steel castings.
The technical expertise of the AFS Steel Division is particularly interesting to us, obviously, being a steel foundry.
What are the new ideas, the new technologies that are being developed? And you find that out from the several presentations on AFS-sponsored research. You're going to find out where the industry's going.
It's good to tap into the knowledge base of everybody that's involved in that steel division. I would encourage them to show up and to participate and to see what's going on within AFS's steel division, because like I said, it's pretty exciting.